Okay, I'm sharing it again. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now it's
Now
okay.
you can. Oh,
Yes, I can see.
Tushar, so what about Hosnera? She is not joining.
I don't know.
Okay. Vaishali, welcome. Vaishali. Okay, let we start.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
hmm.
You start, please.
Okay. Welcome, Mr. Tushar sir, Vaishali ma'am, Hosnera ma'am, Rupa ma'am, and Urmila ma'am in our telecollaboration project in between India and Bangladesh. Today is our session number 12, and we will discuss about sustainable goals with the help of Eco Training Center. Here is our team: Urmila from India, Vaishali and Kunda from India, Hosnera Khatun from Bangladesh, Rupa and Tushar sir from Bangladesh. We are 6 teachers with our students are doing this project. Yes, today is our session number 12, and the subject of our today's session is social media, and second subtopic is about gender equity. Okay, am I audible, Mr. Tushar sir?
Yes.
Yes, carry
Yes.
on.
Okay. We all know about social media. In fact, we are social media is the best friend in today's life and today for today's generation. I think so, because the start of the day is with we are meeting with social media, just like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so much platforms they are given by social media. We are using it, and we will going to discuss about this social media and the place of social media in our life. What is the social media? Social media is a computer based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts and information through the building of virtual networks and communities. By design, social media is internet based and gives users quick electronic communication of content. Vaishali ma'am, will you please pass the message to Urmila ma'am if she will join it?
Okay.
Okay. If she have time, don't force her, okay? Because she has the office today, as she said me. Okay. What is the social media? So social media are interactive technologies that allows the creation of sharing and exchange of informations, ideas, career interest, and other form of expression via virtual communities and networks. Social media is a collective term for websites, applications, which focus on communication, community-based input, interaction, content sharing. And this is the very important topic. Why is social media important? As we know, we are facing a COVID pandemic, and between COVID pandemic, we have to stay at home. Uh, for that, in this period, social media help us too much to entertain our daily life and giving us knowledge, news, updated news about COVID and so many things. So social media is so important because it allows you to reach, nurture, and engage with your target audience, no matter their location. When a business can use social media to connect with its audience, it can use social media to generate brand awareness, leads, sales, and revenues. Five benefits of using social media. We are going to discuss the benefits and disadvantage of social media. First, we will discuss benefits of social media. Social media builds relationship between people. Today we are some teachers from Bangladesh, some teachers from India. Though we are not meeting to each other, or in future we can meet or not meet. This is also not sure. But though we have a relationship between each other, and this is only and only because of social media. Social media is not just about brand connecting with their customers. Share your expertise. Social media gives you an opportunity to talk about what you know and what you want to be known for. And also it increase your visibility, educate yourself, and connect anytime. When you get your free time, you will connect with social media. This is not a office time that in between 11 to 5 you have to join social media. After that you will not. You have freedom for using the social media. This is the main benefit of social media, I think so. Which are for popular sites of social media? There is a biggest web of net of social media sites. We can't count it, but some of those are we are using from using by us, mostly using by us is Facebook, WhatsApp, and Pinterest, Skype, Telegrams, Instagram, Twitter, and Google. And I think Facebook and WhatsApp is the most generally using by us, and this is very easy to use also. This is also very important topic, social media disadvantage. There are so many advantage of social media, but using wrongly social media gives us disadvantage. So we are going to discuss it. Lacks emotional connection. Social media don't have emotions. When we meet to each other with face to face, there are some emotions bonding in between each other. But by social media, we meet. There is no emotions. I think there is lack of emotion. Social media gives people a license to be hurtful. Anyone can come and hurt you by this media, because they never meets each other in front or face to face, so they don't have emotions. They can hurt you by social media. So we have to be careful by using social media, because sometimes some frauds also use our uh, and some frauds also break our emotions by this social media. Social media decrease face-to-face communication skill, as I said. It conveys intrinsic expression of feelings, and diminish understanding and thoughtfulness. Social media causes face-to-face interaction to feel. Social media is disconnected sometimes because of network range. We disconnected by it. Facilitates facilitates laziness. It also brings laziness in our personality, because we are always using social media, and so we are not taking care of our body, and we are ignore yoga exercise, because we are taking interest in using of social media, and so become we lazy. Reduce family closeness. This is a very big disadvantage of social media, because though there are 4 or 5 people staying in one family, but they all have their laptop, mobiles, or gadgets, and using social media. They are sending them a message, each other message by mail, message, Facebook, WhatsApp, but not talking each other in their family. And though they are staying with each other, but they are not talking each other because of this social media. And this social media reduces the family closeness. This is very sad thing, and each and everyone should be learn, and should be give attention on this disadvantage. And main is causes distraction. These are the social media's disadvantage. But I think disadvantage when comes when we are not so using. We have to take the responsibility how to use the social media, or how when we should away from social media. Then it is depends on your use, that social media may be advantage or disadvantage for us. Okay, my first topic is completed. What is social media? What is its advantage, disadvantage? And I think Tushar and Vaishali, if you want to say something, Tushar, if you want to say something about or any question query, you can. Then I will continue my next topic.
No, actually, I have no question. I agree with you and with all your topics or views. Actually, social media is for the all over the world. So the advantage or disadvantages are same or like you in my country also. Uh, so I have no question. Please carry on.
Okay, thank you so much. Next, our topic is gender equity. Equality. Uh, this is the main topic from Sustainable Development Goals. This is the goal number 5, gender equality. We are going to discuss about gender equality. Empowering women changes the world. What is the gender equality? We are going to learn about definition. Gender equity means fairness of treatment for men and women according to their respective needs. The Constitution of India grants men and women equal rights. Gender disparities remain. Research shows that gender discrimination mostly in favor of men in many realms, including the workplace. We are looking in each country. I think each and every one country has this problem that they gives favor to men in each country. So discrimination affects many aspects in the lives of women, from career development and progress to mental health disorders. While Indian laws on rape, dowry, and adultery have women safely at heart, these highly discriminatory practices are still taking place at an alarming rate, affecting the lives of many today. Why government need this law, or why it should be put in sustainable development goal, dear gender equality? The benefits of gender equality prevents the violence against women and girls. Gender equality is a root cause. Gender inequality is a root cause of violence against women. Gender equality is good for the economy. Every day that we fail to deliver gender equality, we pay the price. Gender equality is a human right, and everyone should get that right. Gender equality makes our communities safer and healthier. So it needs to take it in our law or in goals. What is India doing for gender equality? Every country has its roles for this sustainable goals, and they made laws for it. No doubt India is also doing work on it. Political and legal reforms. Since its independence, India has made significant strides in addressing gender inequalities, especially in the areas of political participants, education, and legal rights. Policies and legal reforms to address gender inequality have been purchased by the government of India. Steps are being Steps are being implemented by Indian government to improve gender equity. What the Indian government is doing for gender equity? The government sees to promote equal rights, opportunities, and responsibilities for men and women. This means getting more women into work and making it possible for men and women to share work and care responsibilities is more equitable. Which are the steps to falling for gender equality? Talk to women and girls. Stop child marriages in harassment. Make education gender sensitive. Fourth is raise aspiration of girls and their parents. Empower mothers. Give proper values to women's work and get women into power, and support to women for job. I think these are the main topics have to followed by all citizens and all Indians, or all peoples from all countries for giving the for gender equality. And everyone should respect the woman, then it will be the greatest step for gender equity. Schemes for improved gender equity. These schemes are from India. India is first scheme is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. In this scheme, government is giving the save the girl child and educate the girl child, giving the education to girl child to for Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao is a campaign of the government of India that aims to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare services intended for girls in India. The scheme was launched with an initial funding of rupees 100 crore. Second scheme by Indian government is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account. Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, a small saving scheme. Sukanya Samriddhi account is a government of India backed saving scheme targeted at the parents of girls' children. The scheme encourages the parents to build a fund for future education and marriage expenses for their female child. This is a very effective and important scheme by Indian government, and it is very useful for all girls from India. Third one scheme is from India to reservation in every sector for women. This is also very useful scheme for Indian women. 50% reservation for women in every sector. Okay. So we discuss about the gender equality in goal number 5 from Sustainable Development Goal, and no doubt we all support to SDGs goal number 5, gender equality. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity for present my PPT. Hope you enjoy and like. If any question query, you can ask me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kunta ma'am, for your nice presentation. Really, I learn more from your PPT, and I learn more about your country and gender equality. That is in the SDG 5. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Krishna. Now I'm going to make you host.
Yes.
Okay. You host now.
Okay, ma'am. You stop your. Do you stop your sharing?
I stopped it.